Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Just wanted to show you guys what became of all the red currants, or not all of it, but most of the red currants that we picked the other day. You probably have seen the video where I showed you guys the harvest. I actually put some aside for eating fresh, and then we also left some on the bush, which I didn't even mention in that video, but there are still a few less than perfectly ripe ones which we left on the bush. We can still go back and pick those over the next couple days. But what I did is I took the majority of what we picked. It was 2.5 kilos. I measured it after, and we cooked it up into some jam. So if you haven't seen my videos before about how to preserve things using the canning method, definitely check those out. I highly encourage everybody to preserve their own food. You can see I've done a bunch of videos doing various kind of explanations and talking about canning and what have you. Check out the cooking playlist and stuff like that, and you can see a bunch of examples of it. But I just wanted to show you guys, I was really excited about this, and also just give you a quick couple words about the currants themselves. I was curious, what the price would be for the 2.5 kilos worth of currants. And if you were to buy this fresh, first of all, it's actually kind of difficult to even get in Hungary right now. What I've noticed is that I think I did a video about this a while back. I'll try to dig it up and link it in the description if you guys haven't seen it yet, where I talked about the environmental impacts that commercial growing of currants and raspberries is extremely limited in Hungary. It used to be quite prevalent, and because of climate change, because of the lack of water and the heat in the summer, it's actually become quite difficult for commercial growers to make profitable growing of currants, and also gooseberries, and now raspberries are next in the list. So basically you can't even really find too many commercially grown currants here in Hungary. But if you did, kind of put it on par with the raspberry prices, and the amount that we cooked up would have cost us, I think it was around 16,000 forints is what I priced it out to, which is probably close to $50 or something like that. So it's kind of a lot of money. Most people probably would not be buying that much anyway, and certainly not be making just jam out of it. It's kind of too expensive for that. Same thing with raspberries. Most people just wouldn't buy that many fresh. Oh, and we also had another little pile here that I'm gonna serve up with some rice pudding for the kids and us in a little bit. So there's quite a lot of value here that it's kind of difficult to put a price on in some ways, because like I say, you don't even really have locally produced red currants anymore. And then also, just knowing that you grew it yourself, that you didn't have any pesticides on it, no herbicides, all that kind of stuff. It's just a really nice thing to know that, when I'm eating it, there's no extra, chemicals or anything in here. So it's really cool. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, as I'm always doing, encouraging everybody to go out and start growing as soon as you can. It's never too late and never too early to start. So hope everybody's good. See you in another video soon. Bye.